Hi, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Warrior Plus account and how to get a free traffic for products step by step. First, if you don't know what Warrior Plus is, it's an affiliate network that connects vendors and affiliates. In this marketplace, you can sell your own digital products or promote other products, and also you can buy products for yourself. There is a way to make money with Warrior Pluses. Actually, there is two ways. The first way, as an affiliate, means promote other products to get a commission when someone buys a product throughout your link. The second option is as a vendor. It means sell your own digital products. In this affiliate network, you need to get physical products. It's only digital products that's related to make money online niches. It means you will get in the form of three types: in the form of ebook, online courses, and web-based softwares that focus only make money online niches. That means you will get online courses on affiliate marketing or YouTube or shipping, whatever that's related to digital business. So stay tuned. I will show you step by step. Okay, to sign up to Warrior Plus account, go to the sign up Warrior Plus dashboard. I will put the link on the description box. So you land here, click sign up here. They will ask you username, password, and email address. So you have to fill the username. I will put here okay, sorry, password, your own password, and your email address. Click I am not robot, and then select all images with palm tree. Click here and verify. Okay, click create an account. They will send you a verification link to your email, so check it out, your email here. They will send you here. Refresh it. Okay, yeah, the verification required. Activate your Warrior Plus account. So the next step is click the verification link here. Sorry, about the connection. Click here. After you click here, it will redirect to your login dashboard. So put your username here. I use VIRANU, and here brand one, and click login. Okay, you will see a message. What is the first reason you created an account today? You can actually click one of you want, or you can ignore this message, because the purpose of this message is to give you relevant information about, for instance, if you sell your product, click here, so you'll get some information about how to sell a product. You can actually sell your products, work as an affiliate or buy products with only one account. You don't need 3 accounts for 3 purposes. So as you see, you will get some information, so you are good to go. This is the dashboard after you sign up. Here on the top of menu you will see 3 different parts: a marketplace, vendor, and affiliate. So what will you get on the marketplace? In the marketplace you will get service and products that's provided by Ware Plus. That means you will get, it may be categorized in top products, categories, alerts, deal of the day. So for instance, if you click categories, you will get a products that's related to marketing, education, platforms, industries, software, services, and other. Marketing, education, advertising, affiliate marketing, copywriting, and whatever. So on the marketplace categories you will get service and products to sell or to promote. The second section, vendor, this is for the people who sell on these platforms. There is a dashboard of our products, share products. There is so many options. So here, for instance, products, that means goods that will you sell on these platforms. You will see your customers, your transaction, or performance. So it's for only for vendors. The third section, affiliates. If you are an affiliate market, this one is for you. On this section you will see your statistics, how much you get as a commission, your transaction, your status. It's all about information of your performance. So and how will you get an affiliate links? In order to get an affiliate link, first you have to click here on the top of menu, affiliates, click offers. Okay, you will get so many products. First, in order to get an affiliate, you have to be approved by vendors. So you have to first request. Click here, it's request. If you want, first see the products you want to promote, and after you decide, click request. You will click request. So if they approve you, they will send you unapproved on your emails. After that, after you get unapproved, you will get here again on affiliate sections, click offers and get links. First you must be approved by Brokout Industries to promote this offer. So request approval. Here as a beginner, you will face a challenge since they will need an experience and so on. So you have to tell about your service. So say hi. Okay, I will show you. Hi, I have experience in affiliate market. I sell, I worked before on different affiliate networks before. So just describe yourself in order to get accepted. After you write here, click request offer. It's loading. So if you are approved, they will send you to your emails. After you get an email, you will get an affiliate links to promote. And the last option, how do you get paid? In order to get in order to set up a payment method, click the top right corner here and click my account. Here your request has been sent to the seller. You will be notified via email when the seller accepts or rejects your request. So on this account you will get two options. On the left it says my account, on the right it says vendor and affiliate. So in order to set up your payment methods, you have to click here merchant accounts. Okay, here you get new accounts. So click new accounts. There is 4 options. It's PayPal, Stripe, bank account withdrawals, or PayPal legacy. So set up, you can set up whatever you want. If you have a PayPal or Stripe or bank account, PayPal, whatever you want, you can set up. So the second, this is all about Ware Plus accounts. It's actually user friendly dashboards. It's not that much complicated. So the next question is, how do you promote products? I will tell you my strategy how to promote products. I promote products on 3 platforms. The first one, Quora. Just click on the search, click write Quora. It's a site people ask a question and get answers by the community. So you can go to here Quora. And the second, Pinterest. The search option, Medium. These are best platforms to promote affiliate products. I will tell you some tips about how you promote products on Quora. First, Quora is a site for question and answers. That means people come here, ask a question and get answers. So there is actually around 351 million users monthly. It's very large actually, high traffic. So go to Quora. Here first I have a Quora account here. Quora. Here first go to here on the search Quora. Ask search questions that's related to your niche. For instance, if you are promoting digital products about YouTube, click YouTube. sorry for the connection. I will show you each steps. Okay. Sorry about the connection. So okay, let me tell you the steps. Click search YouTube, and you will get so many questions that's related to YouTube. So try to answer, try to give a relevant answers, and put a link on the contact. The second option is Pinterest. Pinterest also is very good for affiliate products. It's actually like Instagram. It's image based search engines. You can pin different images with affiliate links, so you will get promoted affiliate product. The third option is Medium. Medium is, as you can see, it's an open platform for writers. Just if you are interested in writing, write a good content and put affiliate links throughout the content. This is all about Warrior Plus accounts. So if you have any question, you are welcome. Put on the comment. I will answer each questions. Thank you.